I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the shared log. TXT and Pojav. CFG immediately. This is where the conflict appears. Once found, make a backup copy to a different folder or cloud so you can restore if needed. Next, open the log file with a plain text editor, not a rich editor, and scan the top 50 lines for duplicate handlers or corrupted JSON fragments. This direct start prevents wasted steps and prepares you for targeted edits in the next stage. You now edit the file to remove duplicate logger handlers or malformed JSON arrays that break parsing. Use find for repeated handler names and delete only the redundant block. Make sure brackets match and commas are correct. Once done, resave using UTF-8 encoding and check timestamps for consistency, because Pojav parses time fields strictly. If you have ADB, push the corrected file back to the app folder and restart Pojav so changes take effect immediately. Finish by restarting Pojav and watching the regenerated log for errors. This confirms the repair. If you still see crashes, restore the backup and reapply edits one change at a time to isolate the culprit. Make sure to clear app cache or run Pojav in safe mode to rule out plugin conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if parsing errors persist, replace the shared log with a minimal empty log file, start the app, then merge only the trusted entries back in to avoid reintroducing corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.